Well, once again, I'm leaving the clerk's office here at the Court of Federal Claims. They wouldn't allow me past the docket, past the lobby again. Marshal did come out and sit with me, and we spoke for a while. But I did get my document date stamped. I got a copy of the docket, and it does show that I have to, that they actually put the order on the docket. So I've responded to the order that they gave me, which was unsigned again. And now I've got to go get a copy of it made at Kinko's and add it to the motion on filing in the United States Supreme Court, which is a copy of this motion here that I filed today as evidence, and also a copy of the document that I filed with all 44 members of the House Judiciary Committee. And we just take it one step at a time. Yeah. No, so they can play all the games they want, folks. It's I'm going to do what I have to do to protect my rights and my liberties under Article 19 of the Maryland Declaration of Rights. And now I'm going straight over to the U.S. Supreme Court and make a filing there in case number 10-10236, which also named the Justice Department, American Bar Association, the U.S. government. At that time, I was not aware that the U.S. government was not a Republican form of government anymore, that it's no more than a corporate entity, and its officers and agents and board of directors are all no more than average citizens with no more rights than any other corporate officer who violates their oath of office and betrays their Constitution and rule of law of this nation. So I'll get this taken care of and then head right on over there. But this is what we have to watch out for, folks.
I think
We are no longer one nation under God with equal justice under the law and equal protection under the law. We're one nation under the Republican government of disloyal Americans and Donald John Trump, a wannabe dictator who has bankrupted this country, and now he's suing his own employers and everybody else in the world, which is absurd. It's absolutely absurd that we allow this. And there's a crane for his new, see the cranes over there behind Treasury Department? That's the billion-dollar ballroom that he's building, that he said was not going to cost the public anything, nothing. It would cost them nothing. And then this week they came out and said, oh, no, it's going to cost, on top of the money he's got donated already, it's going to cost the taxpayers over another $1 billion. In what world does the CEO of a corporation have unlimited use to abuse the bylaws of the corporation and enrich himself and his friends at the cost of the whole corporation and its stockholders, which every citizen in the United States is a stockholder in that corporation. And we're also chattel. We are, our Social Security makes us liable for the debt that we never consented to. The corporation, when they hijacked our original corporation and turned the government into a for-profit corporation. So, this is George McDermott. I'm signing off. Land of the Scam and Home of the Fraud, 15th Street, Northwest Washington, D.C. and Pennsylvania Avenue. God bless everyone. Have a wonderful day.